thank you. Well, Moline Public Works has a new weapon in its snow removal arsenal this winter. It will allow more miles to be pre-treated and it'll cost the city less money. TV6's Larry Goodwin joins us now. And Larry, you got an up-close look at how this new machinery works.
Yeah, that's right, Morgan. For years, crews have treated Moline streets with a product called BioMelt, made out of beet juice. It works well to prevent snow and ice from bonding with the road surface, but costs around $2.60 per gallon. The fall, the city bought a new brine solution making machine called the Brine Extreme. It used automation and software to blend professional grade salt brine in-house, utilizing the rolled salt Moline has already bought.
This is very advanced technology. We program the amount of gallons we want to produce. We hit the start button, we keep feeding it with salt until it's completed. That's literally all it takes to produce this salt brine.
New machinery is in the house at the Moline Public Works. A brine machine to help the city battle snow and ice.
It's an automated system. It pumps it out to the tanks. Our truck delivery, we have tanks on the back of the truck that run off electric pumps that we spray down on the road, just like we did with our previous pre-treatment material.
Streets Operation Manager Graham Jewell says it's simple to operate, and he expects it to be very efficient.
You fill the hopper up with salt, and then the machine does it all. It injects the water into it as it reaches the proper salinity level. It flows through a screen. It goes through some sensors, and it averages out the salinity level through the highs and lows over the amount of gallons you have a program for, and it pumps it out to the tank. The only concern we have is keeping it full of salt. If we deplete our supply of 12,000 gallons, we can replenish that supply in approximately 3.5 hours. On our schedule, we're not dependent on deliveries, trucking companies. We produce it right here in this garage.
Jewell mentions how the solution works and says it will save the city a lot of money in the long run.
As ice builds up, as snow builds up, this will break the bond between the precipitation and the street surface itself, which allows for safer streets in the meantime. This is a huge cost-saving measure, and not only will it save cost, because that is one of the #1 goals of the City Council is to improve road safety and conditions. So we're going to be able to do this saving money while also treating more roads than we've ever treated before.
Now, the entire project was expected to cost around $172,000, but much of the building construction was done in-house by Public Works employees, bringing the total project cost to just under $124,000. Morgan?
Wow, amazing. Larry, thank you. And while this is the first brine machine in Moline, Bettendorf and Davenport have been using them for some time now. Rock Island